Hi, I'm Ritik, a fellow at Alpha AI, and I created a dashboard for sales and profit insights from US Superstore data. Here is the monthly trend of sales and profit of all the 4 years. The data is from 2016 to 2019, and here we can see there is a loss of around $3,300 in the month of July. This is the loss of all the 4 years in this month. Let's explore it more to find the reason of this loss. If we filter it by region, in 2016, there was a loss of around $19,000 in the month of July. If we further filter it by region, so in the central region, there was a loss of around $22,000 in this month. The salesperson Kelly Williams handles the sales in this region. And in the state Texas, she had given company a huge loss of around $28,000 in this month. However, she had done maximum sales in that state. The overall sales of the company is increasing exponentially. In the year 2019, the growth there was a growth of around 36% in the sales. The maximum profit and sales are in the western region of the country, as we can see here. And the credit of this goes to the salesperson Anna Andretti. She had done maximum sales in the subcategory phone and chairs, as we can see here. But she had earned maximum profit in the chair subcategory. Also, in the eastern region, the salesperson Chuck Maggie is showing a constant growth in her sales. She experienced some loss in the subcategory tables and bookcases. However, except Kelly Williams, all other salesperson are increasing their sales and profit. As we can see in this graph, this is the graph of Kelly Williams. These are the sales and this is the profit. And the others are increasing their sales and profit here. The subcategory phones and chairs has exceptionally higher sales than other subcategories. The maximum quantity of products sold by the salespersons are of office supplies. But if we see the category wise sales and profit, it is maximum for the technology category. The technology category covers the 37% of technology and 37% of sales and 52% of profit. The product gave max profit of around $38,000 to the company is a Canon copier. This is all. Thank you.